Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 ways you can maximize all of your earned income in 2025. That's right, we're not just talking about making more. We're talking about making the most of every single dollar you earn. Because let's be real, wouldn't it be nice to actually see your bank account grow instead of just wondering where all your hard-earned money went? Look, building wealth isn't just about earning a ton of money. It's about being smart with what you earn, putting it to work for you, and making sure you keep as much of it as possible. That's what we're going to cover today. So whether you're just starting out in your career, or you're already earning a decent income, but want to make smarter financial decisions, these tips are for you. Let's get started. Alright, let's get real for a second. Do you actually know where all your money goes each month? Like down to the last dollar? If not, you're not alone. But trust me, tracking your expenses is the absolute foundation of maximizing your income. Think about it. You wouldn't drive a car with your eyes closed, right? So why would you manage your money without knowing where it's going? It's time to ditch the financial blindfold. There are tons of budgeting apps out there, but honestly, even a simple spreadsheet can do the trick. The key is to categorize everything: rent, groceries, transportation, entertainment, that daily $5 latte. You get the idea. And don't even think about estimating. We're going for accuracy here. Connect your bank accounts, credit cards, everything. The more detailed you are, the more eye-opening this exercise will be. Because once you see where your money is actually going, you can start making changes. Maybe you'll realize you're spending way too much on takeout, or that gym membership you never use is draining your bank account. Look, I'm not saying you have to live like a monk, but by identifying areas where you can cut back, even just a little, you'll free up a surprising amount of cash that you can then put towards your financial goals. Remember, it's not about deprivation, it's about being conscious and in control of your money. So, track those expenses, identify leaks in your spending, and watch your financial freedom grow. Okay, so you're tracking your expenses like a pro. Now what? It's time to put that hard-earned money to work for you. And no, I'm not talking about risky stock market investments. We're starting with the foundation of a solid financial strategy: high-yield savings accounts. Now, I know what you're thinking. Graham, savings accounts? Seriously? But hear me out. Traditional savings accounts offered by big banks are practically robbing you blind with their measly interest rates. We're talking about a measly 0.01%. It's practically an insult. High-yield savings accounts, on the other hand, offer significantly higher interest rates, often 10 to 20 times higher than traditional accounts. Now, I'm not saying you'll get rich quick, but it's a heck of a lot better than letting your money sit there losing value to inflation. Think of it this way. Your money is like a car. You wouldn't just leave it parked in the driveway and expect it to magically appreciate in value, would you? No, you'd at least take it for a spin, maybe even rent it out on Turo for some passive income. High-yield savings accounts are like giving your money a leisurely Sunday drive. It's not going to win any races, but it's definitely better than collecting dust in a low-interest account. Plus, these accounts are FDIC insured, just like traditional savings accounts, so your money is safe and sound. It's a no-brainer, people. So, do your research. Find a reputable online bank offering a competitive interest rate, and watch your savings actually grow for once. Chapter 3. Invest in yourself. Upskill your way to higher income. Let's face it, in today's competitive job market, you gotta constantly be leveling up. And the best way to do that? Invest in yourself. Because the more valuable your skills and knowledge are, the more earning potential you have. This doesn't necessarily mean racking up student loan debt for another degree. Think about it. What skills are in high demand in your industry? What areas could you improve on that would make you a more valuable asset to employers? Maybe it's learning a new programming language, mastering digital marketing, or becoming a certified project manager. There are tons of online courses, boot camps, and certifications available, many of which are super affordable or even free. And the best part? Investing in yourself has a ridiculously high return on investment. Think about it. A relatively small investment in your education can lead to a significant salary bump, promotion opportunities, or even the chance to start your own business. But it's not just about the money, although that's definitely a nice bonus. Upskilling also keeps you engaged, challenged, and ahead of the curve in your field. It shows employers that you're proactive, committed to your growth, and always looking for ways to add more value. So, what are you waiting for? Identify your skills gaps, explore your learning options, and commit to investing in your future. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Chapter 4. Side hustle your way to financial freedom. Look, relying on just one source of income is like putting all your eggs in one basket. What happens if you lose your job or your industry takes a hit? That's why diversifying your income with side hustles is crucial. And no, I'm not talking about delivering pizzas at 2 a.m. unless you're into that sort of thing. There are tons of flexible and potentially lucrative side hustles you can start alongside your 9 to 5. Think about your skills and passions. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing in your free time? Maybe you're a whiz at graphic design, a talented writer, or a social media guru. All of these skills can be monetized. You could freelance online, start a blog or YouTube channel, sell handmade crafts on Etsy, or even become a virtual assistant. The possibilities are endless. The beauty of side hustles is that they provide an additional stream of income, which can help you reach your financial goals faster, whether it's paying off debt, investing more, or finally taking that dream vacation. Plus, starting a side hustle can teach you valuable skills like time management, marketing, and customer service, all while giving you the freedom and flexibility that a traditional job might not offer. So get creative, explore your options, and start building your side hustle empire. You never know, it might even turn into your full-time gig one day. Chapter 5. Don't leave money on the table. Master your taxes. All right, let's talk about everyone's favorite topic, taxes. I know, it's not the most exciting thing in the world, but trust me, understanding basic tax optimization strategies can save you a ton of money in the long run. First things first, are you taking advantage of all the deductions and credits you're eligible for? Many people leave money on the table simply because they're not aware of all the potential tax breaks available to them. For example, if you're self-employed or have a side hustle, you can deduct expenses related to your business, such as home office expenses, travel, and supplies. There are also deductions for student loan interest, retirement contributions, and even medical expenses. Another crucial aspect of tax optimization is understanding the difference between tax deductions and tax credits. Deductions reduce your taxable income, while credits directly reduce the amount of tax you owe. Credits are like scoring a discount on your tax bill, so they're super valuable. Now, I'm not a tax professional, so this is not financial advice, but consider consulting with a qualified accountant or tax advisor to ensure you're taking advantage of every tax benefit available to you. Remember, maximizing your income isn't just about earning more, it's also about keeping more of what you earn. So get tax savvy, optimize your deductions and credits, and watch your tax bill shrink. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Remember, maximizing your income is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes effort, consistency, and a willingness to learn and adapt. But trust me, the rewards are well worth it. So start implementing these strategies today and get ready for a prosperous 2025.